unofficial na subject. Do you still remember yung mga lessons ninyo? Tatanong ako later ha, dapat alam niyo. Sige, what comprises the circulatory system? Warm up muna tayo. Bakit walang nag-raise ng hands? Sige, let's hear from Pilar, Mr. Pilar ko.
Ano po, good morning po, ma'am. Bali yung circulatory system po, ma'am, is comprised po sa blood vessels, heart.
Okay, so ano ba yung importance ng circulatory system? Ano ba yung function niya? Amodya, and then Majid. Pandali lang.
Good morning, ma'am. So the function of circulatory system po is to carry oxygen and nutrients throughout the body po.
Okay, so hindi ko na. Okay. Next with Pendalilam.
So ma'am, the circulatory system po also carries hormones to cells and remove waste products like ano po ma'am, like carbon dioxide po.
Yes, tama. Carries oxygen and yung sa mga waste products natin. Okay, so sino pa? Si Lagutin. Lagutin and then sorry, hindi ko makita yung mga ano nyo. Si Pania and Arellano. Let us hear from Lagutin muna. Mr. Lagutin. Lagutin? Saan na siya? Okay, let's go with Panya muna.
Good morning po, ma'am. Circulatory system.
Okay.
Bukod po sa sinabi ni Earl tsaka ni Majid kanina po, it also helps the coagulation process, regulates body temperature, and assists the body in fighting disease since it also circulates blood which and other blood cells.
Okay, so that's good. Aside from Miss Panya, we have Arellano and Tabelin then Alaba. Sila muna.
Good morning po, ma'am. Marinig po ba ako, ma'am?
Marinig. Pero, sorry class, baka medyo putol-putol yung audio ko later and hindi ko masyadong maano nila kasi ang hina ng internet. Pero sige lang.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello? Okay, pwede ka na mag-speak.
So, aside po sa sinabi nila, ma'am, ang circulatory system po is nag-speak.
Sorry, medyo nawawala ka, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Pwede i-type ko na lang po.
Hindi. Nag-ano yung connection mo. Sige.
Type ko na lang, ma'am.
Sige. Proceed tayo. So, next, proceed tayo kay Tabelin.
Good morning po, ma'am. Am I audible po ba, ma'am? Ang
Oo.
circulatory system din po is naga-transport din po siya ng food, as well as ano po, oxygen and other materials po na kailangan ng body natin for maintenance, growth, repair, and ways to serve the needs of our living.
Okay, so that's good. Okay, so we know about the importance of the circulatory system in our body, especially sa para ma-supplyan ng oxygen yung mga tissues natin sa katawan. So, dito talaga ma-realize natin how crucial the circulatory system is in our body. And kapag sabihin niya na may problema sa heart, diba? Automatically, common notion talaga is when the heart when the heart now is a problem sa body natin, it's a crucial na mga na treatment, diba dapat? And dapat mas maging careful and keen talaga yung mga doctors when it comes to monitoring itong mga heart diseases. Kasi nga, napaka-vital ng role ng circulatory system natin. So, aside from that, before tayo mag-proceed, I'll be checking your attendance muna. Yun lang ba yung audio ko, class? Kasi di ko alam kung nagaputol-putol ba sa inyo or clear lang.
Okay lang po, ma'am.
Okay lang, ma'am.
Okay, so it's good to hear na okay lang siya. Okay, so let's start with Agaw. Nandyan si Agaw. Hello? Agaw? Alaba?
Alaba, present po, ma'am.
Okay. Ali?
Ali, present po.
Amen, amen.
Amen, present po, ma'am.
Okay. Amodia?
Amodia, present po, ma'am.
Andrada?
Andrada, present po, ma'am.
Arkay?
Arkay, present po, ma'am.
Arellano?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Asuncion, Angeline?
Present po.
Asuncion, Ashley? Wala pa si Ashley. Baez?
Present po, ma'am.
Baltero? Bangay? Desanyes?
Present po, ma'am.
Buenaflor?
Present po, ma'am.
Kasaklang?
Present, ma'am.
Dableo?
Ayo, ma'am, present.
Daud? 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 Wala. De La Cruz?
Ma'am De La Cruz, present po.
Dumangkas?
Present po, ma'am.
Enersua?
Ma'am Inersawa, present po.
Sakura? Sakura? Fagutaw?
Present, ma'am.
Husain?
Present po, ma'am.
Lagutin? Lozada?
Lozada, present po, ma'am.
Lubaton?
Lobaton po, ma'am, present.
Malana? Martin? Mesias?
Mesias, present po, ma'am.
Nina?
Present po, ma'am.
Montefalcon? Morales?
Present, ma'am.
Nokira?
Present, ma'am.
Palmares?
Present, ma'am.
Panaga,
Present po, ma'am.
Panya,
Panya, present po, ma'am.
Pilarco,
Ma'am, present. Pilar ko po.
Tandalilang,
Ma'am, present po.
present. Sabado,
Ma'am, present po.
Sakandal,
Sa Kandal po, present.
Sumalinog,
Inog, ma'am, present.
Tabilin,
Tabilin po, ma'am. Present po.
Tanner,
Dinner po, ma'am. Present.
Tersola,
Terisola, present po.
Visto, Iray,
Present po,
Iray,
ma'am. Present
Ma'am,
Iray,
Siwi,
present po, ma'am.
Pauwi, sorry, hindi ko naman sila. Okay, so sorry class. 8 minutes na lang pala klase natin. Pero sige lang. May anong oras ang next class niya after this? Okay. Kahit ano lang sana, hanggang sa structure lang tayo ng vascular system. Kahit dun lang muna. Kasag, bilisan lang natin. Okay? So, let's proceed with our lesson for today. We are now on the circulatory system. So, nasabi niyo ka kanina, with regards to the function of the circulatory system, responsible for transporting throughout the body oxygenated blood from the heart and lungs. Tandaan mo kung ano itong nag-carry nito. Oxygenated blood from the heart and lungs via the arteries, and then the oxygen-depleted blood is returned to its origin through the veins. So, dapat talaga matandaan nyo si arteries, ano ba yung gina-carry niya, ano yung nandito. And sa veins, yung ano naman yung type of blood, oxygenated ba or oxygen-depleted. So again, oxygenated blood, yun yung gina-carry ng arteries natin. As for yung oxygen-depleted, yun yung sa veins natin. So it delivers the oxygen and nutrients to all cells in the human body. Kaya nga, di ba, kapag nag-bleeding yung mga patients natin, usually, hinihingal yan sila. Kasi wala nga enough supply ng oxygen. Kasi di ba, yung circulatory system natin, yung blood natin ngayon, siya na yung nag-carry ng oxygen. So it transports carbon dioxide and other waste to the other organs of the body and away from the cells. It helps in the coagulation process, the body temperature din, and assists the body in fighting diseases. So, with regards sa body temperature, di ba kapag ma-feel na natin minsan na mabilis yung ano ng pump ng heart natin, diyan yung di ba nag-cause din, nag-flush yung faces natin. Kapag kinikilig yung mga tao, nag-increase yung pressure, tapos to the point na pati yung ears natin namumula. And kapag hahawakan natin yung ears natin during that time, mafe-feel natin actually umiinit yan siya. So increased blood temperature, and of course, it regulates the body temperature and assists the body in fighting diseases. So the system is made up of two components. So meron dito under sa kanya cardiovascular and the lymphatic system. So when we say the cardiovascular, yun yung sinasabi natin kanina na it is composed of the heart, yung mga blood vessels natin, and of course the blood. But let us not forget that under the circulatory system, we also have the lymphatic system. So under the lymphatic system, we have the lymph nodes, and the vessels. Ito yung nag-swell. Halimbawa, napapansin niyo ba kapag may sipon kayo or may ubo kayo, tapos hahawakan niyo yung sa side ng, sa ilalim ng ears ninyo. Diba parang may ma-feel kayo dyan minsan na parang medyo nag-swell siya. Or minsan nga sa ilalim ng ano natin. So may nag-swell dyan, diba usually kapag sinisipon tayo, those are our lymph nodes. So, lymphatic system, again, it's composed of the lymph nodes, and the vessels natin. So now we will go with the layers and other structures of the heart and their function. So I know familiar na kayo dito sa ana-feature niyo pa. So first layer of the heart is epicardium. So when we say outer layer, kagaya ng epidermis. Saan bang epidermis? Outer layer, di ba, ng skin natin? So when we say epicardium, it is the outer layer of the heart. Ano ang characteristic niya? It is a thin and watery membrane. So it covers the heart and is attached to the pericardium. Next is the myocardium. Myo. May clue na tayo sa word ni M. Middle layer of the heart. Kung kanina ang epicardium is thin, si myocardium ngayon, it is a thick layer of the cardiac muscle. Kasi nga, nasa middle layer na siya. So, ang function niya, it pumps blood into the arteries by contracting. Kaya din, na thick yung layer niya para ma-accommodate niya yung pag-contract. Siya yung nag-contract. And by contracting ngayon, it enables or it pumps blood into the arteries. So, malaki ang trabaho niya. Kaya dapat heavy duty yung work niya. Of course, heavy duty din dapat yung structure niya. Kaya thick layer of cardiac muscle, si myocardium natin. So, next is, kung kanina may epicardium tayo, outer layer of the heart, ngayon naman, dapat meron din tayong inner layer, and that is then the endocardium. So, like the epicardium, it is a thin layer. Pero ito si endocardium, it is the inner layer of the heart. Endocardium. So, it lines the valves and interior chambers. Yan yung function ni endocardium. As for the chambers of the heart, di ba may 4 chambers of the heart tayo? Those are, ito yung right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. So, may counterpart sila. So, right atrium, meron din siyang right ventricle. Left atrium, meron din siyang left ventricle. Sige. Hello, sorry class. Naputol kanina yung internet kasi. Okay, so I would like you to open your cameras for a while, just for a short while muna. Okay, and then show me your fist. Make a fist. I-clench niyo yung fist ninyo. And itapat niyo siya sa heart ninyo, sa side ng heart ninyo. So, kung ano kalaki yung fist ninyo, yung clenched fist ninyo, yan din yung size ng heart ninyo. So, dyan makikita nyo, ito pala ang size ng heart ko. So, yan. Yan. Sige daw, ilagay nyo daw yung ano nyo ba. Yung fist nyo sa heart nyo. Saan na ba yung mga hearts ninyo dyan? Okay, yan. Very good. Yan kalaki yung heart natin. It's the same size as our clenched fist. Okay, so you can turn off your cameras na. So we are again on the chambers of the heart. So first we have the right atrium. Ito yung nasa upper right chamber. So ang ano niya ngayon, ang function niya, it receives the oxygenated blood from the body. When we say deoxygenated, wala na siyang oxygen. So walang oxygen na blood from the body. Siya yung nag-receive, si right atrium. Ito ngayon, si right ventricle. It is in the lower right chamber. So kung kanina, ito ngayon si right ventricle, it receives the blood from the right atrium. Kasi di ba gi-receive na ni right atrium yung deoxygenated blood? Ang after niya ngayon, ang mag-receive naman ng blood na yun, coming from the right atrium is the right ventricle. And siya na yung magpa-pump into the pulmonary artery. So, yan yung work ni right ventricle. So, on the other side naman, sa left side naman, the left atrium, siya naman yung nasa upper left chamber. Ang function niya, it receives oxygenated blood from it into the left ventricle. It will receive naman ngayon left ventricle na nasa lower left chamber. So it receives blood from the left atrium and pumps it into the aorta. So kung si right ventricle papunta kay pulmonary and artery, si left ventricle papunta kay aorta. So yan yung path nila. So tandaan nyo kung sino ba yung nag-receive ng oxygenated blood, ng deoxygenated blood. Ano ba yung pathway nila? Saan ba nila ginasend right after? So dapat makikita natin kung anong difference ng function ng mga chambers ng heart natin. So aside from the chambers of the heart, we also have the valves of the heart. So the right AV valve, tricuspid valve, located between the right atrium and the right ventricle. So it closes as the right ventricle contracts, preventing blood from flowing back into the right atrium. So dapat hindi talaga magbalik yung blood sa right atrium. Kaya ito ngayon yung purpose ni right AV valve. I-stop niya na hindi babalik yung blood. So i-close niya yun siya. It closes as the right ventricle contracts para hindi magbalik yung blood. So sa left AV valve naman, it is a bicuspid or mitral valve located between the left atrium and left ventricle. So kung kanina si right AV valve, si right ventricle, and right atrium, si left AV valve, of course, siya naman yung responsible kay left ventricle and kay left atrium. Kino-close niya, nag-close siya to prevent the blood from flowing back to the left atrium. So next is the right semilunar valve. This is the pulmonary or pulmonic valve located at the entrance of the pulmonary artery. It closes when the right ventricle relaxes, preventing blood from flowing back to the right ventricle. So yun yung function ni right semilunar valve. And left semilunar valve, we have aortic valve located at the entrance of the aorta. It closes when the left ventricle relaxes, preventing blood from flowing back to the left ventricle. Okay, so yun yung valves of the heart. Next is we have the septa, partition, yung nag-separate. So interatrial septum, this refers to the partition that separates the right from the left atria, or sa atrium natin. And the interventricular septum separates the right and left ventricles. Kapag atria, interatrial. Kapag ventricular or sa ventricles natin, interventricular septum siya. So, yun lang yung mga clues kung paano natin ma-remember easily kung ano ba yung function nila. Because sa name mismo nila, may guide na tayo kung ano ang involved dito ng mga parts. So, coronary circulation. The heart receives blood through the left and right coronary arteries, and the coronary veins return the oxygenated depleted blood from the heart muscles back to the heart. So again, left and right, yung arteries natin, siya yung nag-carry ng yung may oxygen. And kapag sa vein naman, siya yung nag-carry ng deoxygenated na blood. So, hindi ko alam kung nag-function ba itong portal ninyo. Sino nakatry na mag-enter sa student portal ninyo? Student portal. Nakatry na kayo? Class, nakikinig ka pa ba, class? Hello? Talaga nag-answer. Hello, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes po. Sorry. Siguro sa connection ko. Hello?
Hello po, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry.
Hello, ma'am.
Nag-stop-stop ba yung audio ko? Okay.
Minsan-minsan.
Okay, sorry.
Pero
May
okay.
talaga kasi ang connection ko. Okay? So, since it's already 9 a.m., kasi hanggang 9 lang tayo, diba, ngayon?
Opo.
May time? Okay. Okay, so sorry. And hindi ko kayo masyadong maintindihan ngayon kasi nagka-putol-putol ang audio niya sa connection dito. Okay, so since 9 a.m. naman, we'll just end our class today. Hopefully tomorrow makakapag-klase tayo. We'll still have our lecture tomorrow since hindi man tayo makapag-lab, so lecture muna tayo during our online classes. So I guess that would be all, and ay mag-announce na lang din pala ako sa exam niyo. Prospect date natin is March 15. So week na yun yung examination week ninyo. So, sa lecture natin, i-follow natin yung schedule. Pero sa laboratory natin, I think it would be the week after yung sa schedule examination ninyo. That would be for your laboratory. Because may hahabulin pa tayo na lecture for your laboratory. So, sa laboratory, hindi siya written, pero ano siya, magde-demonstrate kayo, actual talaga siya. And by pair siya, pero ang pair mo, it is not alphabetical, sa alphabetical order. So, ano kayo, random picking ng mapapair ninyo. Okay, so thank you so much for your time, class. Thank you and have a good day. Yes, Mr. Earl.
Ma'am, yung sa lab exam po, ma'am, same lang po na procedures po, ma'am.
Ang sagot natin na exam siguro, yung sa itatakil natin na venipuncture, parang summary na siya ng ano natin, na-demonstrate ninyo. Dapat makita ko yung hand washing, yung tamang pagsuot ng ano ninyo, ng PPE ninyo, yung venipuncture ninyo, kung paano niyo i-prepare yung patient din, and order of jaw, yung sa tubes natin.
Excuse me po,
So,
ma'am.
yun yung i-cover po. Yes?
Magkuha na po kami ng dugo yan, ma'am.
Yes po. Magkukuha na kayo ng dugo.
Thank you po, ma'am.
So, there are a lot of points sa mga makakakuha ng blood. Yes, Mr. Dableo? Yes, Aaron?
Ma'am, sa pair po, ma'am, kami po magpili.
Hindi, class. Magbunot-bunot ka mo. Kag-prepare ka mo kay, hindi lang man sa kamot ang
Thank you po, ma'am.
di ba? So, I want you to be prepared in cases na limbawa yung patient ninyo hindi pala makuhaan sa kamay. So, there are other suitable areas na pwede nyong kuhanan ng dugo. So, huwag kayong matakot kasi mag-discuss pa man tayo with regards to that. Pero just prepare lang para ngayon pa lang ma-expose kayo sa mga ganong scenario. Yes, Earl?
Ma'am, for lecture po, ma'am, ano po yung coverage ng exam po, ma'am?
Yung lecture natin, let's start with yung first lecture natin sa infection control, safety, and personal wellness. And then yung biosafety and biosecurity ninyo, phlebotomy, circulatory system, hanggang sa blood collection equipment and order of jaw and venipuncture procedure. So marami kayong i-cover. Anyways, ano man ito, situational yung mga ano natin. Sa Kandal, yes.
Hi ma'am, good morning po. Ma'am, pwede po ako pa-send ng pa-upload lang po ng PPT.
Ay, nung ano, yung sa biosafety, yung
Thank you po.
biosecurity. Yes, okay. And sa mga hindi pa nakakuha ng books ha, nandito na yung books ninyo. Okay. So again, 850 pa rin siya. So thank you, class. So do you still have further questions? Ano pa? Yes, sa Kandal.
Ma'am, last na lang po. Yung partner po ba ma'am sa final or sa actual na exam malaman yung partner namin?
Yes, sa exam yun na malalaman.
Sige po.
Okay. Sige. Other questions? Wala nang other questions. Sige, si Miss Macias.
Ma'am, hindi na po isali yung history ng phlebotomy po.
Ay, oo, no. Kasali pa yun siya. Kasali pa yun. But I will just get konti lang siguro doon. So, ang importante is yung mga gidiscuss talaga natin. Especially yung sa biosafety and biosecurity. Tapos, order of draw. So, kinakailangan kasi ito yung mga topic na ito kasi ito yung lumalabas sa board exam ninyo. So, spend kayo ng time talaga na mag-review ng mga topics na yun, especially. And dapat alam niyo yung mga basics sa phlebotomy. Okay, for each topic, meron talagang lalabas. Basta yun siya. Okay, so other questions? Other questions? Wala na. Okay, so I will i-end ko na itong class. Thank you so much for your time and have a good day.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Pwede na kayong mag-leave.